How to install peel and stick decals. What you need: level, tape measure, pencil, utility knife, and a squeegee. Once your order has arrived, ensure the design, color, and size is correct. Lay the decals out on a flat surface the night before installation to allow them to flatten from their rolled up state. This will make installation easier. Clean your wall with warm water and dish soap. Allow the wall to dry completely before install. Peel the decals from their backing paper carefully and place your decals in the desired location on the wall. Use your squeegee to press into place and remove any air bubbles that might be forming. Repeat this process until you're finished. Apply your decals up against any obstacle such as a window or a door. Use a utility knife to cut around the obstacle. If your decal has intricate designs or critical alignment such as a name decal, it will come with transfer paper applied on top. Start by cutting in between the decals to separate the pieces. You may want to position your decals on the wall using painter's tape before applying to help decide what layout you'd like to use. This process can also be used with the non-transfer tape decals if they have been cut into individual pieces. While our decals are repositionable, getting the correct orientation the first time will result in the best possible adhesion. Peel the backing paper off, being careful that the decal doesn't fold and touch itself. Once removed, position the decal where you would like it and press the decal against the wall. Using the squeegee, swipe over the decals firmly to make sure they are fully adhered to the wall before peeling away the transfer paper. This will leave the decals in place. With the decal stuck to the wall, pull down on the transfer paper. You can use your squeegee to ensure that the decal sticks to the wall during this process. With intricate designs like this, you'll want to do this process slowly and carefully to ensure the best results.